How to knit cable stitch called C3B, cable 3 back. You will need a cable needle. We have some stitches cast on using circular needles. So for C3B, you slip the first stitch onto the cable needle. You keep it in the back and you knit 2 stitches off of the left needle. So you're working with a total of 3 stitches. One is being held on the cable needle and the next 2 stitches are being knitted using a knit stitch. So now we are ready to work the stitch off of the cable needle, and it's a regular knit stitch. And that's it. So this is C3B. Let's see this again. So we'll separate with just 2 regular knit stitches, and again we're working with 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. You slip the first stitch onto the cable needle and you hold it in the back. Then you knit the next 2 stitches off of your left needle. So just regular knit. And now we are ready to work the stitch off of the cable needle. And it's a knit stitch. Knit. And you're done. And this is how to do C3B. We're now going to do C3F. Working with 3 stitches, slip the first 2 stitches onto the cable needle and hold it in front. So the F stands for front. Knit the 3rd stitch in this pattern off of the left needle, and now knit the first 2 stitches off of the cable needle. And we're done. And let's see this again. So we are going to put 2 knit stitches just as a separator, and we're working with 3 stitches. So using the cable needle, slip the first 2 stitches onto the cable needle, hold it in front, knit 1 stitch off of the left needle, and work those 2 stitches off of the cable needle using the knit stitch. And this is C3F. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more video tutorials for you on Loopy Mango YouTube channel.